securing your data. Heidi mentioned earlier on how crucial and important securing is. So securing data is complex, and it's often not performed to the standards required by data protection compliance or compliance authorities. Information and access management, in conjunction with service accounts rather than people, offer more robust operation and introduce fault tolerance. Using tools within your provider offering like Google Cloud, tools like DLP, which stands for Data Leak Prevention, or Cloud Armor, by implementing rules and policies, are preventative measures rather than needing to take reactive actions, needing investigation, downtime, and loss of income. Providers like Google, as you see in the diagram, perform encryption by default. Now, these cloud providers have the technology and the means to secure the data when used and architected correctly. When applying these kinds of encryptions, adhering to the most strictest compliance standards we follow today, you can achieve the sound peace of mind that your data is secure. In enabling data redaction, for instance, for personal protection, provides preventative standards rather than reactive measures. So securing your data can be simple. Tools like Google make use of a shared identity service, like those used in your everyday login screens, where a single sign-on authentication has several mechanisms to secure itself before even given access to the data. These services work in conjunction with cloud and best practices to offer an extension to computing service accounts. So computing service accounts are the new way of having intellectual compute services interact with one another rather than having a human in the middle.